Welcome back to Partickhill Station. So one of the many chores I have to do around here is fix this brass cog. Now, when this is running, these plastic cogs are not fully engaged. And so I have to push this a little bit further in. And I'm going to do that hopefully with the use of this C-clamp sitting on this little mini vise. So let's get it on there. That was a real task. I needed 4 hands for this, so I couldn't operate the camera. But you can probably see that I've pushed it in a bit. And that was a goal, maybe a little bit too much, but we'll put the other cogs back on and maybe we'll get a better result. So let's just do that. So what I did was I used this nut from the Triang controller out of here, and I pressed that on top of the cog, which allowed the shaft to come through and only put pressure on the cog. And then at the other side, where the shaft comes through, I used this here, which is part of a light fixture you put in the ceiling. That's a grounding screw, and I fitted that. I held it in there while I supported the chassis and turned that at the same time. Anyway, that's done, so let's see how success at last. All it needed was for me to get the cog away from that washer behind there by about 1 millimetre. And I'll try and show you it running now. Okay, so here goes. I'll try and change hands here. Make it easier. Just using a 9-volt battery. So there you go, success at last. Now, I can probably improve on this arrangement here and get something that I can fix on there temporarily during the process, so that I get the backside, so I get that part of the axle, get a force against it, so that when I turn this, it will push that nut that I was using. This nut, so it pushes that nut over the top of that cog and allows me to turn that until it moves in. So that's been a long, frustrating exercise, and I'm very happy that I've got that resolved, because that will enable me to move forward with a number of other Ringfield motors that have the same illness, let's say, or malaise, and then I can get a few more locomotives working. So if you enjoyed this, give me the big thumbs up, and please pass it around to those whom you know that are experiencing the same problem. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now from Partickhill Station. It's running just like brand new. That's so rewarding. Anyway, if you have an issue with spinning nuts, so as related to Ringfield motors, please give this a shot. It's not that difficult once you understand the principle of for every force there's equal and opposite force.